I can't believe more people don't know about this. If you experience hair loss or thinning of your hair, you need to try this.
What is Rausch Hair Tincture?
It's a special hair lotion for long-term treatment of hair loss, and it encourages the natural hair regrowth from the roots, and it revitalizes the scalp. How does it accomplish this? It's made in Switzerland with natural ingredients like burdock root extract and essential oils that have a toning effect on the scalp. They stimulate blood circulation in the scalp and regulate key functions. This way, the hair growth cycle is extended and the hair shines with vitality. It's free from silicone, vegan, and with 99% of ingredients are of natural origin.
How to use Rausch Hair Tincture?
It's super easy to use. You just twist open the little applicator and then you apply it directly to your scalp. I personally apply so much that I can feel how my scalp is wet, but my hair are not completely soaked in it. Then I start to massage it in and spread it across my scalp. I started to use it every day when I noticed that I'm losing some hair and my hairline was retreating. The first effect that I have experienced is that my hair feels and looks much denser and more full, like it has more volume and it is just easier to comb and style. This effect I have noticed basically from the first application. The second effect is that I do not lose so many hair anymore. My hairline is improving and the gaps on my forehead are getting more narrow. My personal tincture hack is that it's a great base for styling. I apply tincture into my damp hair after washing. I blow dry it really quick just for a few seconds so that my hair falls into the right form. Then sometimes I go on to apply a little bit of styling wax or gel, but basically it's not necessary. Even just with the tincture and blow drying quickly, it looks great. Overall, I highly recommend the Rausch Hair Tincture if you are looking for a natural way to support hair growth. It really works well to counteract stress and diet-related hair loss. The hair becomes denser again. It's also a great product even if you do not particularly suffer from hair loss, because you can also feel the hair generally becomes smoother and gets more volume. Have you tried this tincture before? Leave me a comment and let me know what you think, and subscribe for more tips and reviews. If you would like to try this tincture yourself, you can easily order it at vicnic.com. We will ship it directly to your doorstep wherever you live in the world.